right, so Wall Street had a good year last year, but let's not forget about the major losses that we all suffered before that. So what do investors have to worry about in 2014, and how can we avoid losing our precious hard-earned money? Well, this is the man with some answers. This is Thomas Bruckner, CEO of Strategic Asset Conservation, and his firm manages over $230 million. And get this, none of his clients have lost money in the last 14 years. We're going to find out about that in just a minute. So Tom, here's what happened. The thing that impressed me the most that we talked about before the show is that you've never had a consumer complaint in 25 years in business.
Right.
Congratulations, and how
Thank
so?
you. By not putting our clients' money at risk in the market in the first place. Okay, our clients earn market-linked interest when the market goes up, interest that they then don't lose when the market goes down. Those gains are locked in every year.
Okay, so sounds like maybe some being a little conservative, right?
It's conservative.
Okay, not high-risk investments?
Well, we tell clients they're never going to hit a home run with us.
Okay.
They'll hit singles, doubles, and triples, but, you know, put the home run idea out of their mind.
Okay, now we all know the last 14 years have been, you know, very difficult at best, right? But your clients still made money. How is that so?
Well, let me show you an asset allocation model here. This is fairly typical of what a financial advisor would do, how they would diversify a client, okay? So if we thought the market was going to go up, this is a favorable market forecast, we might spread the money out among all of these different indexes, okay? There's also a fixed account option here, which is currently paying about 2.25. So let's say we were right for 11 months, but in the 12th month the market tanked. And at the end of the year, we ended up with losses across the board in each one of these indexes. Okay? If that happened, the fixed account would pay what you knew it was going to pay, and you would simply hold your value all the way around the clock here without a loss. And what we tell people is, if the market's down 17% and you're not, you just outperform the market by 17%. Okay? So if we thought this was going to happen, if we were expecting these types of losses, obviously we wouldn't have put you in these index-linked accounts here just so we could give you 5 zeros. What we would have done is we would have put more money in the fixed account, okay, maybe a little bit in the index-linked pieces, all right? And if those started to improve at the end of the year, we might get a nice gain there. But if you had the same 0 on -15 and 0 on -8 that you had over here, okay, bottom line is you haven't lost. Neither husband or wife, you know, these could be different models. This could, the husband could allocate one way, wife could allocate the other.
Well, let me ask you something. As a financial advisor, and as somebody who, I'm working, I've got a lot going on, I don't need to worry about this. That's what you're going to do for me, right?
We take it 1 year at a time.
Okay.
So now let me show you what happens when this goes positive.
Okay, real quickly, if
I'm
you
going
could
to
do
show
that.
all these numbers are going to turn positive now. Now what's happening is you're earning market-linked interest proportional to the gains of the market. Okay, again, these are interest credits. Okay, this is an insurance product, not a securities product. You're earning market-linked interest. Okay, and bottom line is, as we say here, heads you gain, tails you don't lose.
Okay. You know what? You did simplify for that for me, and I was a little panicked about it because, you know, numbers is not my thing. But you really are proud of the fact that you can take what can be complicated and make it something for everybody to understand.
Simplification.
Yes, and you teach that to all of your potential clients as well. So, and I appreciate that about you. So here's what you can do. If you want to learn more about how their services work and get a ton of information, you can go to their website. It's go2night, KNIGHT.com. And you can also call for a complimentary consultation. Tom will be happy to do that, or put you in touch with one of his very educated, what should we call them?
Clients.
Your staff, your associates that you work
with.
And you can also reserve a seat at one of their upcoming educational seminars. Thank you very much, Tom. 480-661-6800.